Hey everyone, it's Ashley, your independent Scentsy consultant. So I'm here today to edit a Scentsy club of mine. So if you guys did not know, your club locks down 10 days in advance of its scheduled date. I don't know how better to describe it, but my club process is on the 4th. So 10 days before the 4th is when the club locks down for processing. So you should get an email to the club that you have active. Like, you should get this email to that email you have the club under, and it should give you a few days advance. I just got my email yesterday that mine locks down on the 23rd, so I'm going in today to edit my club. So let's get right into it. I am logged in, I do believe, so I'm just gonna go to the Scentsy Club tab and go to edit my subscription. And here she is. This is my quarterly subscription. So this is separate from Corey's quarterly subscription. This is my own. So as you can see, we have a bit of a hefty price tag on here. Oh my goodness, what is happening? I really want to, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so sorry. I don't know why that happened. I really want to get this down to like 160-ish. I don't know that I'm gonna remove a lot, but I definitely want to remove a couple. This is hard for me because this is mostly like my spring summer club, and right now, like, I don't necessarily care about any spring summer scents because I'm full on fall mode, but I do know there's probably some I want to keep. Let's just get into it and see what happens. So here we go. It says your quarterly subscription, and you can skip. I have already skipped one of these, so I think if I skip it again, I lose all of my always get my bars, which is like the main reason I'm processing this Scentsy club, is to always get my bars. So if they have this little symbol, it means they're retired and you can't get these scents anymore unless they're in your Scentsy club. So I think if I skip, I would lose all of those. So I'm not even going to test the waters. The first one we have is Rockin' Ruby Raz. I honestly think I'm going to remove this one because I think out of Rockin' Ruby Raz and Lemon Thyme Berry, which I'm pretty sure is in here, I'm going to check first. I think I prefer Lemon Thyme Berry more. Yeah, I do have Lemon Thyme Berry. So I'm actually going to remove Rockin' Ruby Raz. It's gonna say you cannot get this bar anymore if you remove this. This cannot be undone. I'm gonna say yes, remove it. Okay, total moving down, we like it. Next we have White Tea and Cactus. I'm kind of on the fence with this one. It's so unique, but I don't know. Okay. We'll come back. We'll see where the total ends up. I really like Watermelon Mint. I really like Summer Soleil. Yes, for both of these. Honeymoon Hideaway, I like it. It's just kind of on the lighter side, but I'm going to keep it for now. Coffee Tree's an absolute yes. I really like Candy Crave. I feel like it's similar to Luna, but this performed really, really well for me, which I was not expecting, so it ended up staying. Coconut Daiquiri. I really enjoyed that one. Pink Sugarberry Mint was a scent of the month from a little while ago. I think it was March, maybe. It's good. I don't know if I love it or not. I like it mixed with Arctic Kiss, which I don't have in a club because it's available. So that one's a little bit tough for me. I don't know, like, there's some days I like it and some days I'm like, yeah, I could probably live without it. They make it so hard because you can't get it back once you delete it. Okay, let's keep going. I have my whiff box in here for half price. I considered not keeping this and just ordering it through like a party on the 1st because I do like to get it at the beginning of the month. However, I'm obviously not going to get a better deal on it anywhere else because I do have it half price for $15. If I get it through my regular order, it's going to cost me the full $30. I'm already ordering all this, you know what I mean? I was going back and forth, but I think I'm actually going to keep my half price as the whiff box, because other items I can get half price through my party. A whiff box you cannot. So I think I'm going to leave it in here like that. Lemon Time Berry, we already decided I'm keeping this over Rock and Review as. These are a couple of the bars from the Spring Summer catalog that I wanted to put in my club. Aloe Vera and Ivy, Havana Cabana, Make a Splash, Mocha Doodle, another coffee scent, Pina Colada Cha Cha, Rainbow Sherbet. I think I'm gonna remove Rainbow Sherbet. That might sound crazy, but out of these other ones, I don't think I love Rainbow Sherbet as much as the other ones. Like, I don't know that I would reach for Rainbow Sherbet above Pina Colada Cha Cha if I wasn't like intentionally like, oh, I need to warm that. If I had to pick between the two, I'd probably pick Pina Colada Cha Cha and even Tangerine Creamsicle. So it's gonna get the boot. Yes. Okay. Next, I have 2 cotton cleanups. Those aren't going anywhere. I have a Birthday Wishes. I have a pink cotton. I never tried this, so I'm going to keep it in here and try it. If I end up not liking it, I'll take it out, but I'm going to keep that. I loved Aladdin. It was so good. These 2 bars, Keep It Sassy and With Grace, I thought I was really going to like these, and they were going to be my 2 favorite from this collection, but I don't like either of them, so they're both going to go. This should hopefully help the total come down. And then these 2 actually are in here specifically for gifts. So we are kind of in that time frame of our lives where every single person about that we know is getting married, and then a lot of them are buying new homes. So I have been trying to get together some just simple like Scentsy gifts, incorporating either down the aisle for a wedding or Happy New Home as like a housewarming gift, because like I said, we have a lot of friends in that situation. So I'm just gonna keep these in here in my quarterly club to kind of have them on backup. I'm sure they're not like my favorite, but they're also not the worst. Like, I could warm them if I feel like I'm getting a stash, but I think these are going to be perfect gifts for our friends, just like little Scentsy gifts, especially for those getting married and buying a new house. Because like I said, I feel like everybody we know is in those scenarios. It's crazy, but that's just kind of how it goes when you're my age, I guess. So let's see the total. Ooh, I didn't do so bad. I wanted to be around 160. I'm at 169. Is there anything else? I feel like we could maybe do pink sugarberry mint. I'm gonna check how many I have of that. If I have a decent amount, I might remove it, and that would save me what? Probably not exactly another $6, probably close to it. So I may remove that one. But honestly, I don't think this is too bad. I removed a couple, but I don't know. We'll see what happens when I get these in. Oh crap, and the white tea and cactus. I think I might have to remove the white tea and cactus, and then I'll see how many pink sugarberry mints I have. I really don't want to do that, but also I don't know that I would reach for that over other things in this. I'm gonna do it. Oh, yes, just remove it. I'm trying to save $6. And I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't come back in a future Bring Back My Bar, so it'll be okay. So, okay, I'm going to double check the pink sugarberry mint bars, how many I have, and like, you know, do I feel like I need to keep it or not? But otherwise, let's recalculate. I'm at 163, so I didn't do awful since I said I wanted to get to 160. Plus, if I remove pink sugar berry mint, I'll probably be at like 157, something like that. So that's not so bad. So that is my official Scentsy club, my quarterly club. That's what will be coming to me. Of course, I will share it when it does come in, but here's a little sneak preview. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have Scentsy questions or questions in general, leave them down below. I'm happy to help. But that's all I have for today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.